Many beginners make the same mistake. They choose two random songs and expect them to mix perfectly. DJing becomes much easier when you choose songs and make sense together. For your first practice, choose two tracks from the same genre. For example, two house tracks, two hip-hop tracks, or two pop dance tracks. Try to choose songs with similar energy and similar BPM. BPM means beats per minute. It tells you how fast the song is. A song at 124 BPM is close to another song at 126 BPM. But a song at 95 BPM and a song at 128 BPM will be much harder for a beginner. Load your first track on the left deck. Load your second track on the right deck. Now, look at the waveforms. The waveform shows the shape of the music. Big sections usually means louder or more energetic parts. Smaller sections may be breakdowns, intros, or quieter moments. Your job is to find a clean starting point. Most dance music is built in phrases of 8, 16, or 32 beats. If dance sounds confusing, do not worry. For now, listen for the first strong kick drum and set your cue point there. Press cue, press play, count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That count is a heartbeat of DJing. Before you try to mix, practice starting each track exactly on the 1. If you can start a song on time, your mixes will already sound much better. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,